Before you make the decision to buy Shoeboxed, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know. It's an efficient tool, but like all software, it's not perfect for everyone. Let's dive right in. Shoeboxed is known for its ability to digitize receipts and organize business expenses. But one thing that sets it apart is its robust scanning technology, which isn't just about capturing images. It actually extracts key data, like vendor names and transaction amounts, turning them into searchable, editable data. Compared to competitors like Expensify or QuickBooks, Shoeboxed tends to be more user-friendly, especially if you're just starting to digitize receipts or organize receipts from different places like restaurants or online purchases. However, if you need advanced accounting features like double-entry bookkeeping, you might find Shoeboxed lacking. Next thing to consider is Shoeboxed's mobile app. It's available for both iOS and Android, making it easy to scan receipts on the go. But one thing that stands out is its versatility. You can snap a picture of your receipt and, within minutes, have it uploaded to your account. This feature makes it much more convenient compared to something like QuickBooks' more clunky mobile scanning system. However, if you're a heavy desktop user, you might find Shoeboxed's web interface a little limiting compared to tools like Expensify, which integrates more seamlessly with your browser. The third thing you should know is Shoeboxed's pricing. Compared to its competitors, Shoeboxed is generally more affordable. The software comes with a range of pricing plans that cater to personal users all the way up to business owners, and for what you get, the value is hard to beat. The free plan might be a good start, but if you're serious about organizing your receipts and expenses, you'll probably want to move up to the paid tiers. Keep in mind, its free version is more limited than what other tools offer, but you can actually get a free trial by clicking the first link in the description below to test out the premium features. The fourth thing to note is Shoeboxed's integration capabilities. While it integrates with software like Xero and QuickBooks Online, it's not as expansive as some other tools, like Expensify, which connects with more third-party apps. However, Shoeboxed still does a decent job syncing your scanned data with your accounting software, making it suitable for most small businesses or individual users who are just looking for a solid receipt tracking solution. Next, let's talk about the customer service experience. Shoeboxed offers support via email and phone, but their response time can sometimes be slower than competitors like Expensify, which offers live chat. The support team is knowledgeable, but if you need instant help, you might want to keep that in mind. However, for basic issues, their comprehensive knowledge base might be enough for most users. Now, let's take a moment to look at Shoeboxed's document storage. One of its standout features is its cloud-based storage, where you can keep not just receipts, but also business cards, documents, and other important files. This gives it an edge over other apps that focus solely on receipt storage. It's a perfect solution if you're trying to consolidate different types of business information in one place. But again, if you need more specialized document management features, you might want to look elsewhere. Lastly, one feature that doesn't always get the attention it deserves is the tax reporting. Shoeboxed makes it easy to generate tax reports directly from the receipts you've scanned, making tax season much smoother. It's a feature that sets Shoeboxed apart from simpler receipt apps. But if you're handling more complex tax requirements, you might need additional software like QuickBooks or an accountant to assist with more detailed reports. If all this sounds good to you and you want to try Shoeboxed, remember, you can click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. So, whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just someone looking to get your receipts organized, Shoeboxed might just be the solution you need.